Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. Let me introduce myself. My name is Neva Fitra from class 15 to B05, majoring in computer science. Here I will present the result of my English project, and there are two topics that I will discuss here. The topic is computer and hardware. Computer. A computer is a series or group of electronic machines consisting of thousands or even millions of components that can work together and form a neat and thorough working system. Tools used to process data according to procedures that have been formulated. In the beginning, computers were only used for arithmetical questions, but as time changed, modern computers are used for many tasks that are not related to mathematics alone. Next is history of computer. The first computer was discovered by an English science and mathematician. The name is Carlos Babbage in 1822. The father of computers, Carlo Babbage, began developing the first mechanical computer, and then in 1833 he designed the analytical engine, which was a general-purpose computer. Computer generation. First computer generation 1940 until 1956. Second generation computer 1956 until 1963. Third generation computer 1964 until 1971. Fourth generation computer 1971 until now. Fifth generation computer now to the future. First generation, the first computer device were apparently developed for aircraft and with missile design. This first generation computer was conceived by Konrad Zuse, a German engineer. This computer used vacuum tubes as circuits and magnetic drums for memory. Second generation. The discovery of the transistor at this time changed the appearance of the first generation of computers. The development of the second generation marked the beginning of the development of computers with the replacement of vacuum tubes with transistors. Third generation. The development of integrated circuit marked the third generation of computers. When using second generation computer, transistors make the computer heat up quickly. This is why second generation computers are starting to be obsolete. Fourth generation. The microprocessor was a breakthrough in bringing fourth generation computers together by uniting thousands of ECUs into one, keeping silicon. Fifth generation. This fifth generation computer is the computer we use, characterized by the emergence of LSI or large-scale integration, which is the compacting of thousands of microprocessors into one microprocessor. This fifth generation computer is also characterized by the emergence of semiconductors. The next is types of computer. Based on processor, mainframe computer. This type of computer uses a processor that has very large capabilities and is intended for multi-user. Mini Cooper. This type of computer uses a processor that has very large capabilities and is intended for multi-user. And the last topic is hardware. Hardware is all types of components on a computer that have a physical form, can be seen and felt. Hardware characteristic. As has a physical form. One of the difference between software and hardware is their shape. Software can only be seen in appearance but has no physical form, while hardware has a physical form that can be seen and felt, generally harsh. Some examples of hardware are keyboard, printers, scanners, and other devices that are found on the outside of the computer. Found on the outside of the computer, most of the hardware is on the outside of the computer. However, not all of them. Some of them are inside the computer. For example, RAM and CPU. The connecting medium between users and software. Hardware is a device that is useful for connecting user and software, which will receive input and then provide output to the user. The next is hardware function. Provide output. The first hardware function is to provide output to the user after the input processing has been carried out. Receive output. The next hardware function is to receive input apart from providing output. Hardware also receive input sent by the user. Save information and data. Hardware is hardware that has the function of storing output data. Usually, the output will be stored in a computer storage device. Processing information and data. Next, the function of hardware is to process data, which then becomes new information that is useful for humans to understand. Types of hardware. Hardware output, input, process, and storage device. Hardware output. Output hardware is a device that functions to produce the new information or useful data so that it can be understood by the user. For example, monitor, speaker, printer. Monitor has the function of displaying information that has been processed. That way, user can see the information. Speakers are hardware that function to convert electrical waves into audio waves by vibrating their membrane shape of components. A printer is hardware that functions to print information or data onto paper in the form of writing or image. Hardware input. Input hardware is an input device whose role is to enter data in the form of image, text, video, and audio into a computer. For example, mouse, keyboard, scanner. Mouse. The mouse functions to move the cursor. Apart from that, the mouse can also carry out practical and last commands. Generally, a mouse consists of 3 buttons, where to click buttons on the left and right, and then a scroll button in the middle. Keyboard. The keyboard is a quite important unit in processing data with a computer. Its function is to enter letters, number, and symbol as medium for the user to carry out the required commands. Thus, Scanner. This example of output hardware function to duplicate of copy image and text and then store them in computer memory. Hardware process is a device that is useful for processing data and processing it on a computer. For example, CPU or control process unit, RAM, random access memory, VGA, video graphics adapter. CPU. The CPU is a device that is useful for controlling all process on a computer, including instruction, management, and producing the desired output. RAM. RAM is a type of hardware that can determine the access speed of computer. VGA. VGA. This device has the function of processing and processing graphic data. Later, the output can be displayed on the computer monitor screen. And last is storage device. As the name suggests, storage device means storage device. For example, hard disk, optical disk, flash disk. Hard disk, or also commonly called an HDD, is computer hardware that functions as a secondary data storage area. The hard disk can be installed inside or outside the device. Optical disk is a storage medium that can be read or written by a server light, where the general form is a CD or DVD. Flash disk is data storage hardware whose connector is USB. This connector will make it easy for the device to connect to a computer or other media. Okay, that's all for my presentation. Thank you and see you. Sorry my English so bad. Dadah.